The swinging sprinkler Opti Ideal Line Plus is made of high-quality plastic. It is equipped with 20 nozzles. 6 of them are configured in a way which allows for switching on and off. Construction of the sprinkler enables smooth regulation of the water flow. Comfortable mechanism allows for trouble-free regulation of the sprinkling area. It is possible to water just from the right side or the left side of the sprinkler, or both sides at the same time in different positions. The swinging sprinkler Opti is able to cover an area of 263 meters squared. When the water pressure is equal to 2 bar, the irrigation diameter covers an area of a rectangle with dimensions of 10 meters and 12 meters, which amounts as 120 meters squared. In such case, 12 liters of water is used per minute. When the water pressure is equal to 4 bar, the irrigation diameter covers an area of a rectangle with dimensions of 15 meters and 17.5 meters, which amounts as 263 meters squared. In such case, 19 liters of water is used per minute. The sprinkler is equipped with a special spike which allows to clear and clean the nozzles.